Software engineering. Today's topic includes the definition, the subject, the duration, the employment, affordable countries, best universities, income, books, online courses. Definition. Software engineering is the application of principles used in the field of engineering, which usually deals with physical systems to the design, development, testing, deployment, and management of software systems. Subjects you need to focus in high school: math, specifically calculus, linear algebra, and differential equation. Chemistry, physics. The physics is not required but it's helpful. ICT. For chemistry you need the basic knowledge, and for ICT you also need the basic knowledge. Duration. A degree takes up to 3 to 4 years to complete, a master 1 to 2 years, and a PhD 4 to 5 years. Of course, this depends on the country and the university you're studying. Employment rate. Software engineering is expected to grow by 13% from 2016 to 2026, which means there will be a job growth of 13%. Income. The income starts at $101,000 up until $250,000 or more. Of course, this also depends on the country and the place you're working. Affordable countries to study in: Switzerland, which is $1,500 per year for 3 years. Malaysia, which is $3,500 per year for 4 years. And Germany, which is $1,200 per semester for 4 years. Best universities to study in: US, which is MIT. UK, University of Cambridge. And Canada, University of Toronto. The tuition ranges from $20,000 to $70,000 per year. Books. These are the books I recommend. One is called Code Complete 2. The other one is called Clean Code. Links on the description if you want to buy it. And this is the way they look. Online courses. There is a website called Class Central, which contains more than 20 plus courses with certificates. Links are in the description if you also want to get there. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.